In this guide, I'll show you how to perform a soft factory reset on your Roku TV or streaming device to fix performance issues. So on your remote control, press the home button 5 times, and then follow it up by pressing the fast forward button 3 times, and then press the rewind button 2 times, and this should open up the secret screen. Now if you have a look in the bottom right, you'll see a bunch of different options here, and we're going to be selecting soft factory reset, which is going to power off your device and then turn it back on, and this won't delete your personal settings, downloaded apps, or account information. So select Soft Factory Reset, which is going to open up this page, and have a look at the bottom to see which code you have to input. So for me, it's going to be 9759. So once you've input your code, you can select OK at the bottom, which is going to automatically system restart your Roku device. And then you want to test out your Roku once it's back to the home screen to see if it fixed your issue. This guide was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.